render or export our Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017 project to AVI file. So we go to File and then Export Media, and the format should be AVI. Output name, so let's change the output name to dancing character. Dancing character dot avi, and then save, and then leave the other values that way. Click export. So we just wait for this to finish, and then we can finally watch our dancing character .avi file. So it's already 60%, 70%, 80, 90. That's it. So we go to the folder where we created or saved the dancing character.avi.
There's no way to say this song is about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms. There's no way to say this song is about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms. There's no way to say this song is.
So that's our dancing character. It only lasts for 5 seconds. If you want to have a longer AVI file of our dancing character, then you have to add more dance moves on our character, so you can create more movements using Adobe Creative Cloud 2017, and then you can actually arrange the sequence of the dance moves of our character in the Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017, so that you can have a longer video or AVI file of our dancing character. So I hope you've learned something from me on how to create a dancing character using Adobe Animate Creative Cloud 2017, and how to edit the audio file and create the background music using Adobe Audition Creative Cloud 2017, and lastly, how to put them all together, the dancing character and the background music and also the background image, and render it or export it to AVI file. So that's it, and my next video tutorial will be about animating objects or character using Adobe After Effects Creative Cloud 2017. So watch out for that next video demonstrations. Again, subscribe to Jehan's YouTube channel. Thank you.